Hello everyone, this is Jorge with Papago Marketing, and I'm here to show you the new GoSafe S810. It's a new dual channel dash cam, and I'm here to show you its multiple installation options, and we'll probably install it in one of our cars. So our new S810 comes equipped with both a suction cup mount and an adhesive mount. We're going to be using a suction cup mount for today's demonstration. This is what the camera looks like. You have a Sony Exmor sensor up ahead. Here's the rear cam. As you can see, a very small footprint. You can put it in the rear windshield of the car. And the unique thing about this installation is that you can also mount it in the front windshield to monitor your passengers. It's perfect for Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, anyone who wants to keep an extra eye out for anyone in their car. And this is made possible with a short interconnect cable. So this interconnect cable connects between the front dash cam and the rear cam. So you don't have a 20-foot cable like this one. So this is for installing the rear windshield, and then it also comes equipped with a smaller one to install on the front windshield. Like I mentioned before, it comes equipped with both a suction cup mount and an adhesive mount. Long enough power cord, as well as your instruction manual, extra stickies, and your micro SD card. All Papago cameras come equipped with a micro SD card. So let's get over to the car and show you how it's done. Alright guys, so the first step we're going to do is attach the suction cup mount to the dash cam. And we're going to go ahead and lower this clip right here and then attach it to where we want the dash cam to go. That looks like a good spot. The next step we're going to do is we're going to route the charging cable from the dash cam up through the headliner, through the A-frame, and then all the way down here to the cigarette lighter. That's where it's going to end up. So let's go ahead and do that. So after you connect your power cable, we're actually going to run the interconnect cable, which connects the front camera to the rear camera. So we're going to do this by running this cable through the headliner all the way through the side of the vehicle until you reach the rear windshield. That's where this is going to go. Another wiring option is you can actually run the cable through the floor, whatever works best. It can be through the headliner or through the floor. So once you reach the rear windshield, just tuck it in right here until you're left with just a connection, and that's where your rear camera is going to go. So we're going to go ahead and connect that, and there you go. You now have your dual dash cam, the S810, watching your front and your back. Okay guys, and here we have the Uber and Lyft installation. This allows the rear cam to be installed on the front windshield along with the front dash cam. This is to monitor the people inside of the car itself. Now, here we have the front view. We turn off the screen, picture in picture, and this is the inside view of the vehicle. And this is made possible with that shorter interconnect cable I mentioned, which connects the camera here to here, and it's much shorter than the 20-foot cable to connect to the rear windshield. And there you have it.